Hello world, welcome back to Razor RC. Time to do another little unboxing here of a product I got today. And I was not really planning on picking this up. When I woke up this morning, I had no idea I'd get an RC car. But if you've been following my channel, my local Hobbytown is closing. And so everything is on sale. The entire store is on sale. Currently everything is 30% off. And so this RC car, the 1972 Chevy C10 Vaterra, what is this called? The V100S, I think it is. Normally sells for $199, which is a pretty good price already. 30% off means it is $140. At $140, I guess I couldn't afford not to buy it. So this is my first on-road car. This is my first Vaterra. This is an all-wheel drive system. I'm kind of excited to check this out. It's my first RC car with LED lights. I've never had anything with LED lights. I'm really more of an off-road guy, so I'm pretty excited about checking this thing out. So I think this has been out for a couple years now. Vaterra is, I guess, a scale realism company owned by Horizon Hobby that focuses on-road vehicles like this based off their V100S, and then a few different scale off-road vehicles like the Ascender and the Suburban and some other stuff. So not a big company in the Horizon umbrella, but they seem to be focusing more on the scale side of things. So anyways, let's check this out. What we got: LED running lights, licensed body, all-wheel drive, the 2.4 gigahertz STX2 radio system, waterproof electronics, scale calipers and rotors, 2 color options. I believe this is the black one. See any other information here on the side? Made in Taiwan. That's good to see. Yeah, it should be the black one. Some stuff in other languages, German, I don't know, what's that? Italian and French, I think. Not for children under 14. So, let's crack open the seals here. See what's inside. I have not opened this, obviously. And so, yeah, at $140, I mean, that's a crazy low price. RTR, except for battery and charger. And let's see what we got here. We got something here. Put the box to the side. Looks like, I don't know what that is. Antenna tube. Looks like a bit of cardboard here. Yes, this is the black one. So let's cut off some of the zip ties and take a look more closely. Okay, we got everything out of the box. That was pretty easy. First off, we got the radio, the Spectrum STX2, much maligned, not really well received, I would say. I actually don't hate this radio. A lot of people hate this radio. I don't think it's that bad for an RTR radio, under $200 RC car. I think it's fine. You know, in my opinion, this is sort of a life philosophy thing, but disappointment or unhappiness is basically the difference between expectation and reality. So if you're not expecting much and you don't get much, then you're not going to be unhappy. If you're expecting a lot, you get a lot, you're going to be happy. It's only when you're expecting a lot and you don't get much that you become unhappy. And so that's, I think, what people kind of get with this radio. They're expecting more just because there have been better radios in the past. They don't come out with very good radios now, and so they're unhappy. Anyways, here we go, the owner's manual. Looks like it's just kind of a big fold out. Interesting manual, fold out manual. Some other versions in other languages. Little package here with some nice looking batteries. Sony alkalines, hey. A little T-wrench, a little, this looks like a different Ackerman bar. Bind plug and some cheap Allen wrenches. Well, maybe, I don't know what those are. These little discs. I'll have to see what that is. And then the RC car itself, a very nice looking truck. Look at that. Nice color, flat body, of course. One interesting thing about this is that the C10 is a 2-wheel drive truck, and this is 4-wheel drive. So some LEDs inside, front headlights, front marker lights, and no rear lights. But yeah, that's pretty cool. So it'll be interesting to drive this, I guess, at night as well, since it's got LEDs. So here's the actual chassis. It's the first time I've seen a Vaterra V100S up close. Nice soft rubber tires. I guess they got foams in them. Chrome wheels. Nice scale calipers front and rear. Looks like the same calipers front and back. Adjustable body posts. Brushed motor and ESC with EC3 plugs. I'll have to swap that out to EC5. Nice shocks. Plastic shocks with, I believe, preload adjustment, non-threaded. Tire truck is basically plastic. Drive shafts, steering, bell cranks, steering systems, all plastic. Shocks I mentioned. Bumpers are plastic, a little bit of foam in the front. Plastic body mount. So the whole thing is pretty much plastic. But at $140, why not? Looks like a servo saver with presumably a Spectrum servo. Have to see what that servo actually is. You know, nice, compact, and pretty dang cool. So I'm gonna drive this, see how it performs. I might even disable the front wheel drive on this thing, because a C10 is a 2-wheel drive truck, and it seems a little weird to me that it's all-wheel drive. But yeah, we'll see how it goes. But anyways, that's it. The C10 Vaterra V100S for the low price of $140. I just couldn't pass that up. I mean, it was so cheap. I was like, I guess I gotta buy it. I'm not really an on-road guy, but I am actually happy and excited to have an on-road vehicle. So anyways, thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, hit the add notifications button. Throw down a comment. Let me know what you think about this on-road vehicle. Any tips or tricks or things I should watch out for. And thanks for watching. Look for more videos soon.